Welcome back to you. This is lesson 77. It's more on percentages. They're going to give you short sentences in which you have to write the equation and then solve for it. Here's the first one. What percent of 40 is 25? So I write my equation. What percent of is multiplication, 40 is equals 25. So then what I'm going to do is divide both sides by 40 because I have to move this over here. So I'm going to have what percent times 40 over 40 equals 25 over 40. So this cancels. I'm going to divide 25 by 40. I'm going to end up getting 62.62 over 20 over 40, which is the same as 62.5%. Another example. What percent of $3.50 is 28 cents? So I go what percent times 350 equals 0.28. I divide 0.28 by 3.50. Move my decimal 2 places, move my decimal 2 places. When I multiply 8 times 350, I'm going to get 2,800. So it's 8%. Here's another one. 75% of what number is 600? 75% times what number equals 600? 600 divided by 0.75, because that's 75%. 0.75 divided into 60,000 equals 800. Notice they were asking for a number, not a percent. So it's 800. My last example, 4. 50 is what number, what percent of, should erase that, what percent of 40? So I've got 50 equals what percent times 40. I'm going to bring this over, divide it into 50. 50 over 40, which is 5/4. 5.00 divided by 4 is 1.25. Remember that percentage is those two there, so it's over 100%. So my answer was 125%. And there you go on that section of this lesson. And I'll do the next one here in just a moment. We're going to take a short break. Okay, Tia, this is lesson 78 on graphing inequalities. They're going to give you an inequality. An inequality means it's greater than or equal to or less than, whatever it may be. So our first one is x is less than or equal to, that line underneath means it's equal to 4. So I draw my number line here and I allow you 4. I have to have a solid circle where 4 is because it includes the number 4 and everything less than. So notice I've got my arrow. Okay? X is greater than 4. It does not include 4, so it's an open circle at 4 with everything to the right. On A, they want you, it says in words, they want you to graph everything less than 2. Notice it didn't say everything less than or equal to 2, so it's an open circle going to the left. Let's say they had given you this problem here. They said to do x is greater than or equal to 1. So I can go 1. It is greater than or equal to, so it's a solid circle, and then I don't need to put all the numbers there. I just need to make sure that I show that it's a strong line and it's everything going this way. I will accept this. You can do it this way with the numbers. Either way works. Hopefully now you'll be able to do your 3 lessons that are due for this week. As you notice, I did not be able to get them all on the same one because I messed up. So you have 77 and 78 on the same video. Have a good day.